I've just given my pupil the instruction that when the sat-nav finishes, to find his own way home.
After 80 yards, you have reached your destination. You have reached your destination.
There might be certain landmarks that you actually realise and you decide to go many different routes, but I'd like you to read all the signs, alright?
Okay.
To be able to read all the signs, your windscreen would be nice to be lovely and clear, so give it a good old wash, go and pull the hole towards, there you go. Perfect, so read it, off we go.
That's obvious.
So,
not that way, but the full course stadia. Kind of getting it.
that'd be alright, yeah, if you got near the grounds, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Good, go on then.
Which would be
Off we go.
this lane still.
Yeah, it's good, perfect, yeah, absolutely is.
And it's following around to the right hand
It is.
side. Yeah. Check if that's okay. I thought I was too open.
No, you're perfect.
Yeah.
We'll do well. This is the Jolly Miller. Ooh, cyclist. Don't slow, just
No.
checking the mirrors.
Yeah, there's no one around me, I can
Go on,
overtake.
give him into lane 2 if you want. Go into lane 2, give him loads of space.
Yeah.
Got it? So use it.
And I'm assuming that this is actually higher than a 30 because it's not a filter bay.
Okay. How could you find out?
Looking at road signs.
Okay. Side road, say
30. Which I'd
Therefore-
assume this one's a 40.
great. Well done. Where are you going to go?
So I'm going to carry on straight,
I agree.
but I think I'll come into the left lane.
No.
Nope. No.
I'll tell you why in a second. You might actually be able to see it when you
Oh,
pass
because
the
it's
lorry.
a... Oh, no.
Look up. Remember we got stuck next to the lorry when we were in the wrong lane and did that filter in?
Oh, yeah, I do.
That was just here. So there's a big green sign up ahead on the left that when you get going a little bit, you'll be able to see.
Says there, it's like a red arrow, isn't it?
Perfect, yeah, good. So that left lane only goes left. So luckily enough, we're okay.
Yeah.
What I'd like you to think of though, has that lorry driver, is he switched on enough, or is he delivering from a different part of the country? It's an Asda lorry, therefore he could be coming from anywhere.
Really.
Does he know that that left lane goes left? Has he been not observant enough? And do you fancy being next to him?
No. Well, if I keep up with the flow of traffic, ideally,
Maybe, depends how
Yeah.
quickly they go away. Now,
I'll build a gap in case he needs to turn right.
I would just hold back the space.
Yeah.
Just hold back this space a little bit. Perfect.
Yeah.
Honestly, a little bit of thought, a little bit of anticipation goes such a long way. There you go, he's appreciative of it.
Yeah.
Alright? Being nice makes you feel nice as well, doesn't it? Yeah? Now, my only little challenge to you is, can you then think of that with other vehicles when you're on your own? Alright? That situation is honestly difficult to replicate.
Yeah.
It's going to be really solid to replicate, so honestly, just think of that yourself.
Okay, there's another cyclist.
Good.
But
What did we do last time?
we went into lane 2, which you could do again,
Good.
but I'd have to put a signal on.
Maybe.
Right.
Croxteth. Could we go to Croxteth?
Yes, we could.
Let's go to Croxteth then. Which way is Croxteth?
To the right.
Good. Go for it.